So next, let us say that you need to integrate root of 1 plus x by x. So to solve this integration, you can think of substitution as well as these algebraic formulas. So if you think in terms of substitution, you can think of x is equal to tan square theta. If x is equal to tan square theta, dx is equal to 2 tan theta times secant square theta d theta, and this integration becomes root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, the root is secant theta, by root of tan square theta is tan theta times 2 tan theta secant square theta d theta. So tan theta gets cancelled. 2 times integration of secant cube theta d theta. So how do we integrate secant cube theta d theta? So you need to use some sort of bypass. So 1 secant theta into second secant square theta is an easily integrable function. So you can use u integral v minus integral of du by dx into so on. So if you do the substitution method, so this is how you get the working. Next, you can also use our algebraic integrals. So here what I do is, I'll do the rationalization of numerator. So integration of, if I multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus x. So 1 plus x by root of x times 1 plus x dx. So I multiply the numerator and denominator with root of 1 plus x. This is how the integral becomes, right? So that is equal to integration of 1 plus x dx by root of x square plus x. These are the form linear by quadratic. So now I can solve it using the standard process. So first let us write the differentiation of the x square plus x. So the differentiation of x square plus x is 2x plus 1. Differentiation of x square plus x is 2x plus 1. Now adjust the x term. You have 1x here, but you have 2x here. So add, multiply it with a 1 by 2. So you have plus 1 by 2, but I need a plus 1. So you need a plus half dx. So that is equal to half times integration of 2x plus 1 by root of x square plus x dx plus half times integration of 1 by root of x square plus x dx. That is equal to half times f dash of x by root of f of x. The integration is 2 root f of x. It is 2 times root of x square plus x plus half times integration of 1 by root of this quadratic can be converted into squares. That is x plus half whole square minus half whole square dx. So the effective answer is root of x square plus x plus half times is of the form 1 by root of x square minus a square. The answer is log mod x plus root of x square minus a square. This whole expression is nothing but x square plus x plus c. So this will be the integration of root of 1 plus x by x. So you can try the substitution method. In substitution method you have to integrate secant cube x, or you can go the algebraic method. The method is very straightforward. You get the final answer.